Cryptos that could replace Bitcoin. The fact that Bitcoin was the first digital money does not guarantee that it will continue to exist in the future. Bitcoin was the first digital currency, and it promised to revolutionize the way we think about money when it was established in 2009. A type of electronic currency that allows users to transact money without the use of an intermediary in a speedy, secure, and low-cost manner. After 12 years, Bitcoin has made significant progress toward general adoption. However, it is also true that it has a long way to go. And it isn't without flaws. Newer coins have emerged that are quicker, more sustainable, and have lower volatility. In terms of price or market capitalization, none of them can compete with Bitcoin. However, as the technology advances, the possibility of one of them eventually replacing Bitcoin grows. Let's look at 4 cryptocurrencies that have at least some kind of a chance of one day replacing Bitcoin. Number 1. Ethereum, ETH, for functionality. Ethereum is the second most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, and it is now the most likely to succeed Bitcoin. It was the first to use smart contracts, which are small pieces of code that are stored on the blockchain. They are behind many of the major advances that have fueled the explosive rise of cryptocurrencies in recent years, such as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Without requiring a third party, these short pieces of self-executing code allow you to solidify an agreement with someone. Smart contracts allow something as straightforward as an insurance policy payout automatically when criteria are met. Smart contracts also allow us to store copyright and ownership information in a digital collectible NFT, such as an artwork or a sports trading card. Some of these NFTs have sold for millions of dollars. Number 2. Cardano, ADA, for sustainability. Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency that tries to address some of the issues that Ethereum and Bitcoin have. Its goal is to employ blockchain technology to solve real-world problems. This popular digital currency has operations in 15 countries across 4 continents, and its work in Africa sets it apart from other blockchains. It is being used by Ethiopia's Ministry of Education to keep the academic data of 5 million students on its blockchain, for example. Fake academic accreditation is a major issue in Ethiopia, as it can prevent students from studying or working abroad. This pilot project has the potential to improve people's lives. Cardano uses a fraction of the energy that Bitcoin or Ethereum do. Each year, they consume enough electricity to power an entire country. Cardano's network consumes only 6 gigawatt-hours per year, which is roughly similar to a state the size of New Jersey's monthly energy use. Number 3. Solana, SOL, for speed. Because Bitcoin can only execute roughly 7 transactions per second, almost any cryptocurrency is quicker. Solana, on the other hand, is a lot speedier. It has a processing rate of over 50,000 TPS, making it far more scalable than Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. Solana is a smart contract-based, programmable blockchain. Like Cardano, Solana has a low energy footprint compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Solana's system presently hosts over 300 projects, including decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, stablecoins, and wallet apps. Number 4. A digital dollar for volatility. A digital dollar isn't the same as a typical cryptocurrency, and its future existence is still debatable. Central bank digital currencies, also known as CBDCs or GovCoins, could, on the other hand, constitute a severe challenge to Bitcoin as a digital payment method. Because these centralized coins are backed by individual governments, they can provide the same benefits as Bitcoin without the price volatility. They wouldn't, however, protect against inflation in the same way that Bitcoin does, and they go against the basic notion of a currency that eliminates the middleman. The volatility of Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been a major roadblock to its mass adoption. And a digital dollar would fix this problem. Hundreds of platforms are waiting to provide you access to thousands of cryptocurrencies. In order to select crypto that's ideal for you, you'll need to figure out which features are most important to you.